Hello, my ninjas. I have only 15 minutes to do a demonstration video on how to use a free web hosting service to create an online e-store. I'm going to do two videos, but the first one will be on how we get to the dashboard of WordPress. You know that I've always been struggling to demonstrate this in class because of the aspect that every time I need to have an email address that is newly created, because it takes one email address at a time since it is only giving us a free offer. Without wasting time, this is Abdallah of Uganda, and let me straight away go to the point. I have created an email account just purposely for this, and I would go to, I want to go here to Google, and then I will look for O web host. So when you open O web host, you open it, and it will say free web hosting, zero cost web hosting with PHP, MySQL, and all that. So our interest is to click on get started. So you click on get started. It's going to bring a lot of aspect, it's going to show you different options, but our option is the one that is free. This one is not free. You can see that they're asking for $2.3 US dollars per month, so we can't go for that. Our own is free web hosting, which is totally free. They'll give us one website and 300 megabytes of disk space, no email account and no support. But you see, we are not into business, so we may not need all this. Our instance is to see that we learn how to develop websites using this web service, web hosting service. So you come here and say free sign up. You click on it, and it takes you where you put the email account. I want to warn you that when you have already used an email account, it will not go. You have to make sure that you have not used that email account and you are using it for the first time, because it creates one website per user. It is a free web hosting service, so it has a lot of limitations. So I'll come here and I want to see the name of the site. So I say memo let me see. We have memo ndifuna Fatuma. Memo ndifuna Fatuma. This one is the name of my sister. At gmail.com. So we can put a password here. You have to put a password you will not forget. So my own is that one, because I will not tell it to you. So I have to repeat the password here. And then if the passwords match, we shall go. If they don't match, then we will not go. Please complete the security check to access. Let us try to see, to do all this to see that we can access. I can click. They are not human. They are taking me into these funny things I hate, but I have no option. Please click each image containing the track. I have no option. Is that a track? I really have no option. Let me see how it goes. This thing disturbs me. Click each image containing the track. Yes. Yeah. Check. Okay, at least I'm good to go. It tells me that the captcha was not solved correctly, so I can repeat. You keep repeating so that I want to keep repeating here. Sign up and see if it will go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. At least we are good to go. So once you reach this, it will now show you send. Okay, you can say never, but it shows, hey there, we have sent a confirmation email your way. Verify your email address to continue your journey. So you have to go into the inbox here, and you'll see that they will have sent you. I don't know whether they have sent us already. Let me see. I don't see an email they have sent here. Let me click here and see. They say they sent, but we don't see what they have sent. Okay, I think they are yet to send, but you get inside here in the email box, and you'll have something like this. Click to verify email, and you'll click to verify the email. So it is here sent to us. So you click there and say click to verify email, and you click on it so that you verify the email. I'm going to be forced to close these other email addresses I am not using so that we don't get confused. I think this one I'm using it. I'm confirmed here. So they say verify, email address verified. So you click on get started. So once you click on get started, they now bring so many options. First things first, what would you like to do? Of course, they put here, you want to learn web development. That is not our concern. You want to build an online store. That is our major concern. And you say you want to create a web design. These others are not our major concerns. If you're a blogger, you come here and do blogging, and many others. So let us go straight to what we are interested in, and that is building an online store. So you click on it. It takes you to choose your strength, what your website will be about. Of course, some people do websites about entertainment, others do websites about advertisement and all that. But our instance is typically business. So you go to business, and it will bring this funny thing that you can download Google Chrome, but you know we already have it. So you skip it, and it takes you to this where you name your project. So this one is quite very important, because whatever you name here, you must write it somewhere so that you don't forget it, especially the password. So this one is the name of your website. Anything you give it. So you can just say, I'm just going to give it a name, Japstam, maybe Japstam, and then I'll give the password. Put here the password. Keep putting the password that you will not forget. So you can be putting the password that you will not be forgetting, and then you click submit. Let's see how it goes. Oh, it should go fast. Good. So it says your website has been created, and we are going to another major aspect which is very important for us, and this one is choosing what we call weapon of mass creation. You know, we can use a website builder. We can upload our website if we have worked with it on a local server, but that is not our interest. We told you that we are going to design this website using WordPress, and you know what WordPress is all about. So you select WordPress, and then they will ask admin. Username is admin. Then put the password. Put the password that you have always been putting, okay, so that you don't forget it. This one is quite important. When you forget it, it will not be easy for you to go to your dashboard or to the back end. So make sure you put a password that you understand. The process I'm doing here is I'm installing WordPress in this localhost 00000 web hosting service. So you install, and it starts the installation. So update password, you can update, so it will do the installation. Unfortunately, we are running out of time, but I said that this video is supposed to be for only 15 minutes, and if I feel that the time has caught up on me, I'll have no option but to record another one, which will be a continuation of this one. So what we are basically doing is installing WordPress. It takes some time, but it is creating the databases, it is creating preparing you for preparing you to the back end aspect, where you go to the dashboard and you are able to work around with WordPress, and you can be able to customize your website. Once we are at the WordPress website, WordPress dashboard, we are going to be able to use our plugins, we shall use our themes, we shall also use our WooCommerce plugin, which we said is a very important plugin that helps us to create online stores or e-commerce stores. So you read about WooCommerce and you know what it's all about, so I'll be teaching you how to use it and how to install it in your WordPress website in the back end. So you see, we are lucky. It says go to configuration page. It says congratulations, it's ready. It means that your WordPress is now ready for configuration and you have already finished installing it. So you go to configuration page. So you click configuration page, and if you are lucky, it will take you to the dashboard. So it asks for the username or email address and then the password. This is where I said you should not forget. So our username was admin, if you still remember, and our password is that one that I've always been using. So make sure you don't forget your own. So you log in. So you come here and log in. And if it's the right password, it will straight away take you to the dashboard. I want to congratulate myself and also congratulate you that we are at the dashboard of WordPress. So you see that there are always pop-up adverts that come in, but you keep removing them. Here where we are is the dashboard of the WordPress. So we have many aspects here. We have the posts, we have media, we have pages, we have comments, we have WP forms, we have appearance, we have plugins, we have users, we have settings, and many other things. Our major interest will be how to install plugins, and also how to install themes, and it will also be how we can install WooCommerce as a plugin, so that we can be able to add products to our e-commerce store or online commerce store or online store, so that we start learning on how to build an online store. Thank you so much for listening to me in this video, and I'll stop it at that. I'm coming back with a second video that will start from the dashboard to demonstrate to you how we can customize and configure the WordPress dashboard. Thank you so much. I love you so much. You are great ninjas, and I'm so proud of you. Have a good time.